Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in this video we're going to be talking about affordable sunscreens for dry skin. The weather is just getting hotter day by day. Apart from wearing light, comfortable clothing and drinking plenty of fluids, keeping yourself hydrated, your skin needs adequate protection too. And I feel like stepping out or staying in doesn't matter when it comes to using a good sunscreen. And I feel like sun protection and the brand Sunscoop are synonymous to one another. So they have an in-house research lab and a team of scientists that are doing rigorous product trials, making sure the product you're using is really effective, and they're making sure they deliver good quality products, and these products adhere to safety standards as well. So that's what I like about this particular brand. When you're using these sunscreens, you know what you're getting into. So with that being said, the first product that we have is the Sunscoop Hydrating Cream Sunscreen. So this is a very lightweight cream-based sunscreen, which is very hydrating on your skin. So you would particularly love this if you have dry skin. It blends seamlessly without taking forever to blend. So it's pretty instantaneous. You're not sitting there and blending your sunscreen. So it blends pretty easily on your skin without any white cast, and also doesn't make your skin feel heavy, oily or greasy. And that's the reason I mentioned that it is great for this weather condition and for dry skin. So this one has hyaluronic acid, which prevents moisture loss on exposure to sun. So this has tried and true UV filters like zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, octocrylene and avobenzone. So with this sunscreen, you get an SPF of 50 plus and a PA4 plus rating. You get a broad spectrum protection of UVA and UVB rays. So I personally have been loving this sunscreen, one because of the texture. Like I mentioned, I find it to be really nice for my skin, which is sort of normal to dry skin. And I also really like it because I feel like my skin is remaining even toned with no peak in pigmentation, no uneven tan, and my skin looks even and bright overall. So if you're facing issues with tanning, dullness, peak in fine lines and wrinkles, I think it's time to start using this sunscreen. So the next one we have is the Sunscoop Hydrating Fluid Sunscreen. This comes in a spray bottle like this, which is really convenient to use. It has a really nice, sort of like a really nice like fluid watery texture that is very easy to apply. It sinks right into your skin without any white cast, and you can also take a generous amount of it. So this one comes with an SPF of 60 in it and a PA4 plus rating. Again, something that is very nice if you're going to be outdoors for a significant amount of time. So you can apply this right before you're heading out, or also even better, just carry it along with you because it's super convenient to travel with as well and easy to apply and reapply. So I really like how this makes my skin look. It's what I have underneath my makeup right now as well. And both of these sunscreens, they just go on really well underneath makeup products. So they set your base right. So your base is looking really nice and hydrated and glowy, and then you can use any product on top, and that's the glow that I have right now. So this I would recommend for all skin types because it's so lightweight, it's super easy to blend it, and it would work for any kind of weather condition as well. So throughout the year you can try these out, and just make sure to take a generous amount of this on your palm and apply it on your face and body. Make sure that skin is evenly covered with sunscreen and there's not like a portion left. So just make sure to apply it evenly, or reapply it if you feel like you've not applied the required amount to a certain portion of your skin. I just like to spritz it on my body like this and then just blend it right in, and that's also a very easy way to apply. I love the finish this gives. It's nice and glowy but not looking heavy, not at all greasy, and a very nice product to use in general on a day-to-day basis that gives you adequate sun protection, hydrating your skin. It does all in one. So with this product, do you have to skip a moisturizer? Not quite. You have to use your usual skincare products and just top it off with this, and this just adds on to your like your skincare step, and it's not something that's making your skin look extremely dry, cakey, flaky, nothing like that. So that's what I really like about the texture of these sunscreens, and the ease of application and reapplication, where my skin is not looking like gray or it has a significant amount of white cast. There's no white cast with these products, so that's a great thing, especially if I'm heading out or filming even, like there's no white cast seen, right? So that's something I really like. I have been really loving these clinically certified sunscreens that have helped my skincare game overall. There's no point in using a lot of actives and all of these other treatments if you're not being consistent with your sunscreen, which is the most important step in your skincare regime during the day at least. So if you're stepping out, you're staying indoors, you're constantly exposed to blue light, all of this would cause a significant damage to your skin. Always a sunscreen is a must and to protect your skin. So yeah, definitely make sure to check these products out. I've absolutely been loving them. I've been loving the way it makes my skin look. So I will make sure to link it in the description box below for you to check it out. So yeah, let me know if you have tried these products out and what are your favorite sunscreens from Sunscoop, because they do have a wide range of sunscreens. So let me know what you think about these products in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.